statistics. He's on
You're gonna post like 3 videos.
Dylan. And Dylan, take a look at your bracket. Here you go now. How are you doing so far?
It started.
You're 100%, which means you haven't missed any. I want to ask you who you think is going to win the whole deal. All right, you go over there. You got the Loyal Crusader with your winner. Who's your favorite driver, though?
Not the same.
Thomas and Maximum Destruction.
No, he's got something wrong with him.
He's doing okay. He flipped over. He's right back up.
Oh, listen. Listen to it. It's skipping.
Look at that front.
Oh, he's spitting a bunch of fluid on the track. He's leaking something.
Still a baby.
Yeah.
Over in the right-hand lane is a guy with a whole lot of really high-profile wins over a pretty short career.
I use like 25% of my.
That is the New Jersey boy, Lee O'Donnell.
I don't get it. The video takes up so much space.
Yeah, because it keeps taking like pictures every time.
Yeah, Destroyer. I like Pastrana. They didn't have Pastrana 90 to 199. It's not here anymore. Maybe he's done for the season. Didn't want to play.
Maybe.
They are at the Advanced Auto Parts starting line, ready to blast into a game.
Oh, it's Iron Man! No, it's not. That's Iron Man.
Man between hooks and right front tire. He's in a bit of trouble. Lee O'Donnell trying to catch up to him. But Lee O'Donnell was in trouble all the way down Thunder Alley. Had to back on his phone. It was greasy all the way out. Nitro Circus will advance to meet Rufus Wild.
Is that Pastrana 199?
Well, now,
I can't tell yet.
The Parts Grinder team putting up 2 representatives. The racing representative, Frank Tremel out of Detroit, Michigan. And check this out. You talk about getting ready for the World Finals. The awesome looking dude, rookie here in Vegas anyway. 20-year-old Jeremy Slipko and Backdraft.
Nope.
Hack Rat?
Racing continues.
Pack
The winner
rat?
of this race will face Mark McDonald and El Toro Loco when we get to Hamilton 2. The state-of-the-art Advanced Auto Parts Grinder. The best of everything. Frank Tremel will try to knock off.
Grinder. Grinder. Pack Rat is the one with the lights on top. Police lights.
Brand new set of tires. The only ones in the world. They're ultra lightweight. They're a Kevlar-based tires. They're the square tread on a hook, and clearly it worked awesome in that turn as well as from the starting line. Again, the Advanced Auto Parts Grinders. Frank Tremel will advance. They got Mark McDonald and El Toro Loco in round number 2.
I like that.
I
like that truck.
You like that? These great camera shots you can see a lot of on TV. This is Medusa.
That's the guy that should
Virginia, Finger and Spider-Man. had a textbook pass around the foul, very good on, pedal, now Thunder Out. Our final race of this opening round is one I'm really looking forward to. In the left lane, it's Alex Blackwell and Captain's Curse. And in the right-hand lane, going back to that old school like his daddy turned out 25 years ago, Adam Anderson, waiting for the legend. The winner of this race will face Tom and Maximum Destruction in round number 2.
What?
I'll be a second best qualifier. Gotta go through.
Well, not on.
What's that on?
I don't hear their engine.